First let's see which photos we can use for conversion. To get a good result, you have to choose a proper image. Such images are suitable for conversion. As you see, the images are clear enough and the edges are also clear. These images are not suitable and you will not get a good result. As you see, the images do not have clear edges. Now let's see how we can create a good and practical design with iDesign. Here, I keep a copy of my converted image files. Because if I open the main image, these files will be overwritten. Now I select the main image. I can crop the image, just resize the area around the image. Set the size. You can select the number of colors in here. This is the software suggestion. It is now 4 colors for this image. Select your desired number of colors. I select 5 colors. You will enter into Image Editor page. Let's filter the image. This is a very necessary step. Because before filtering the image, if you zoom in, you will see some small colored areas. And since iDesign analyzes all colored areas, these small areas might be removed or be converted into embroidery. Filtering can clear the image and you will get a better result. If you skip this step, you may not get a good quality design. Now, click on this icon to enter into Image Editor. Let's remove the background image, select the Fill tool. We need this area. Undo. We need a small editing in here. Click and drag, to draw a line with the selected color, which is transparent color at this moment. The purpose is to separate this color from here. Now background was cleared properly. Click here to separate each color. Arrange the color layers, by clicking and dragging them, to change the color order. This step defines the embroidery color sequence. And colors will be converted and embroidered on the machine with shown sequences. Now I start from the first color, click here to make the red color expand in below next colors. This makes the next colors to overlap the red area. And there will be no gap on the fabric when embroidered. If I don't edit this color, the result will be like this after the conversion. But I can get a better result if I edit this color. Let's do it better. In here, I am filling these areas in red color. This causes these red areas be filled all as one area. The 4th layer will be embroidered on top of it. So, the result will appear better. With this changes, the result will become like this. Compare it with first one. Now, I do the same with the second color. It is fun to do this. Everyone can edit the photo easily, without having any knowledge on how to digitize it in a proper way, and create a design which can run smoothly on the machine. You edit the image properly, iDesign converts it for you, like a professional designer. I expand the second color as well, so it will be overlapped by next colors. This will be the result after the conversion. Compare it with the unmodified one. A little bit more expansion for the first color. The result of this expansion is overlapping, and a better quality on the fabric. This overlapping can also be noticed from the image. I will also connect these gray areas. This will cause a better result, because 4th color is also be embroidered at the top of this color. Again I expand this color areas. If you notice, it expanded automatically only from one side, because other side now has some stitches in below. Let's modify here a little bit. Later I will show you the result. Just a small editing in these 2 small areas for a better looking result. This color looks okay, and no more editing is required. A small editing in these areas, for making them look better. This is the result of editing, Compare it with unmodified one. We are almost done. Edge underlaying can increase the quality. There is a small problem in here, let's adjust it. Now the right one looks okay, let's remove the first one. Let's track the stitches, and check the stitches order. The design is ready. You can save it now and make a sample on your machine. Remember, if you edit the image in a proper way, the converted image doesn't need any editing. In case you need to edit stitch angles, you can use Digitizing Center. Go ahead and have fun.